Today I'm going to be painting this super simple Memorial Day manicure. As usual, I'll start by removing my manicure from last week. I apply a piece of cotton that has been wet with acetone and I'll cover it with a clip. Wait a few minutes while it soaks, and remove the clips and the polish. Do some nail prep by pushing back my cuticles with a glass cuticle pusher, and I decided not to file this time because I wanted a little bit extra length for this design. I'm going to start with some Sally Hansen Diamond Strength Hardener. The nail on my middle finger has a bend and my thumbnail is torn, so I want to try to keep those strong while I'm waiting for them to grow out past the damage. I've had really good luck in the past with this polish, helping to keep my nails sturdy and prevent them from breaking worse than they're already broken. Now let that coat dry. Now for some reason I forgot to put a base coat on for this manicure, and I don't really know why. I think I was just really excited to try this polish. Now I don't recommend forgetting your base coat. I really do recommend using one. It helps protect your nails from the polish and makes your manicure last longer. That being said, this polish did do really well without having a base coat underneath it. So here is ILNP Liberty, and I'm going to start with one coat on my nails. Dry for about 10 minutes, and then I'll apply a second coat. Dry. This polish only needed 2 coats. My next step is to take Maniology plate M179. I'll be using their stamping polish, Straight Up Black. So I'll be using this poppy image on the corner of the plate. I'll apply my polish, then I'll scrape it and pick it up with my stamper. I'll also take off any extra bits of polish that got picked up that aren't part of the image. And I use my scraper card, but you can also use Scotch tape to take that off. So I'll pick this up twice, and then I'm going to be reverse stamping. Start my reverse stamping with Sally Hansen's Insta-Dry ASAP Apple. I'll use this color to color in the flower petals and the small pieces of flower on the bottom buds. Maniology Lily Pad, and I'll color in the stems and the leafy bits. I'm going to let these reverse stamps dry, and then I'll apply a sticky base coat to both of my ring fingers. and then I'm going to apply the stamp to my ring finger. I'm just going to use a rubber cuticle pusher to make sure all of the edges are secure, and then I'm going to cover it with my smudge-free top coat. While that top coat is drying, I'm going to take my cleanup brush dipped in some acetone to just remove any additional pieces of the stamp that don't fit on my nail. I'll wait for my smudge-free top coat to finish drying completely. Then I'm going to take my Moonshine Mani Quick Dry Top Coat and apply it to all of my nails, making sure that I wrap the tips. Once that finishes drying, my nails are ready to go. Product links and discount codes are available in the description below.